China's Huawei sues US over ban on using its products. USA News Al Jazeera. Telecom giant says US has repeatedly failed to produce any evidence to support restrictions on Huawei products. Chinese telecom giant said on Thursday it was suing the for barring government agencies from buying the telecom company's equipment and services. The lawsuit is Huawei's latest attempt to fight back against US warnings that the company could serve as a Trojan horse for US intelligence services. Huawei, the world's biggest telecoms equipment maker, has said it hasn't and would never with China's government. The company also accused the US of hacking its servers and stealing emails. Huawei said the US acted illegally by enacting a law that forbids the government from doing business with companies that use Huawei equipment as a substantial. The privately owned firm has embarked on a public relations and legal offensive over the past 2 months as Washington lobbies its allies to abandon Huawei when building 5th-generation 5G mobile networks, centering on a 2017 Chinese law requiring companies to cooperate with national intelligence work. Thursday's move challenges Section 889 of the National Defense Authorization Act (NDAA), a section signed into law in August that banned federal agencies and their contractors from procuring its equipment and services. The US-China dispute has intensified in recent months. Huawei's chief financial officer Meng Wanzhou faces potential extradition from Canada, where she was arrested by the US over charges of Iran sanctions violations. The US Justice Department accuses Huawei and Meng of circumventing US sanctions against Iran. Two affiliates Meng faces a May 8 hearing in Vancouver, where she was arrested while changing planes. 2 Canadians have been imprisoned in China for what's being seen as Beijing's retaliation over Meng's arrest. Huawei's legal action came after Meng appeared in court on Wednesday, during which her lawyer expressed concerns the allegations had a political character, prompting Trump's comments on the case. Meng is suing Canada's government for procedural wrongs in her arrest.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. I get fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.